The National Weather Service has now upgraded to a moderate risk of severe weather in southern Kansas. Let's get into it. As you can see, Dodge City, Meade, Medicine Lodge, Kansas, and Alva, Oklahoma are all included in this moderate risk today. Now, the reason behind this moderate risk today is a very high wind threat in southern Kansas with a 45% risk in southern Kansas, including all the places I just mentioned. Now, the tornado threat is on the very low side, so we're going to see a lot of wind, but not a lot of tornadoes. But man, that wind is going to be very strong today. Now, as we time this out tonight, the storms will bring very strong winds and some damaging hail to Dodge City around 7 p.m. Then as the night goes on, they may reach Wichita even. And then by after midnight, they will leave the area. I'm Caden Weather, and that's your forecast.